How to use ginger to lose weight. Looking to shed some pounds and boost your overall health? You might be surprised by the power of a humble spice, ginger. Welcome to Health Sabs. Today, we delve into the science behind ginger and its potential benefits for weight loss. Ginger boasts a long history in traditional medicine, and recent research suggests it might be a friend on your weight loss journey. Here's how. Appetite suppression. Studies indicate ginger may help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overall calorie intake. Thermogenesis boost. Ginger may increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to generate heat. Improved blood sugar control. Ginger consumption might help regulate blood sugar, preventing those energy crashes that lead to unhealthy snacking. But ginger isn't a magic bullet. Remember, a healthy diet and regular exercise are crucial for sustainable weight loss. However, incorporating ginger into your routine can be a valuable addition. Brew a cup of ginger tea. A soothing and flavorful way to start your day or curb cravings. Grate ginger into stir-fries and soups. Adds a delightful zing and packs a nutritional punch. Mix ginger with honey and lemon for a refreshing drink. Enjoy the potential digestive benefits and a touch of sweetness. It's important to consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Remember, ginger is a natural product, not a quick fix. But when combined with a healthy lifestyle, it can be a valuable tool for weight management. So, explore the versatility of ginger, enjoy its flavor, and potentially unlock its weight loss benefits.